So, West Ham United 2, Arsenal 5. Back-to-back fives, Jez. 5 different goal scorers. Set-piece routine worked again. Nobody tracking Gabriel Magalhaes. That's baffling to me. Couple of penalties. Dispatched with aplomb. The captain, Saka, gifted up the first one for him, and then Saka bagged the one he had. Trossard, nice little tap in. Great play from our captain again. Saka first touch and squared it. And then Trossard's pass to 29.
Wow.
Oh, my days. What a pass. Yeah, and the finish was class as well. Obviously, we shot ourselves in the foot a little bit. It's lax defending from Calafiori. The goalkeeper getting beaten at his near stick. And then the free kick they scored was insane.
Yeah.
After that, obviously, we then got the next penalty and killed him off by half time. Second half was dead. But I don't really mind that, if I'm honest. We all want entertainment and excitement watching our team, but the job was done. And Arteta, something we've learned about this guy is he knows how to stink out a football match when he has to. Yeah. And the second half of that game was stinky. We didn't really look like scoring. We had a couple of half chances. Subs were poor apart from Zinchenko and Kivior for me. I thought Sterling, Ethan, and Jesus didn't really do a great deal when they come on. But all in all, great performance. Bring on Man United on Wednesday. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. Link will be in the title. What did you make of that, mate?
I thought it was a great performance. It's quite ironic, but here we go again. 5 goals the other night. And you know, Lee, I was actually sitting there. I haven't looked it up. I've done no research. I'm trying to think. When was the last time Arsenal scored 5 goals back-to-back in any games? I can't remember. I honestly cannot remember. I'm sure somebody does know.
Back-to-back fives.
Back-to-back 5 goals, yeah.
This calendar year, when we came back from Dubai, we did, 5-0, 6-6? But I don't think back-to-back fives.
No, I can't. Anyway, it's that's, what I thought was odd. When we went 4-0 up, I thought, oh, here we go. This is the first time in many years I actually sat and watched that game with the missus. She actually sat there and watched it when she hates football. And she said, she actually said, this is a good game, isn't it? I said, yeah, it's great. and she said, do they always play like this? I said, no, but that's
why I'm so stressed.
Yeah. And I said, and it was like 4-0, and the commentator on Sky was going, oh, and the West Ham fans are leaving again. And then they get their goal, and then they get the second goal, and the fans are trying to get back in. And I'm like, wow, why would you do that? Anyway, that's a separate story. But let's look at the game. Absolute took them apart, had them on the back foot, bit like we did the other night. We were against Sporting Lisbon, man. That was pure and utter class, right? I mean, they were shit. Let's be honest, Sporting Lisbon. But fair play to the team. Fair play to the guy. Hello, Havertz. You know what I'm going to say.
Yeah.
Mate, I said there's a player in there somewhere. He did take that very well.
I thought he was pretty poor overall, but his finish was quality. The one thing I'll say about 29, you know that he'll work his nuts off. Yeah, and he'll run the channels, he'll do the donkey work and the dirty work, which goes unnoticed a lot of times. But when he got his chance, and that was the only chance he had, back of the net. Yeah, back of the net, which is something that I've not been able to say about him a lot since he's been here. But that goal, what a goal. That was my favourite goal tonight, by the way. Because as soon as we got that ball, Trossard just dinked it. First touch immaculate, bottom bins.
Yeah, I mean, he's curled it around the keeper. But I'll tell you a player that impressed me tonight, and I've always not wanted it, was Jorginho. I thought he was decent tonight. He controlled, he was right doing the job he should be doing. And I thought, fair play to you, my friend, because you did what you had to do. Yes, cauliflower caused the problem. First goal for them. But I'll give him a license on that one. We're 4-0 up, and I thought, okay, 4-1, going into half time, disappointing. And then we went 4-2. I thought, oh, shit.
Yeah, next goal, where it could go either way, couldn't it?
Newcastle again. Newcastle.
Yeah, Matty said that. Matty actually predicted 5-2 when he came on the watch along at 0-0.
Who said that?
Matty. I said, what's your score prediction, Matt? He goes 5-2. I was like, me and Ola looked at him. We was like 5-2. Where'd you get that from? 5-2.
Fair. I predicted 3-0 to Arsenal. You know, we all remember that game at St James's Park. 4-0 up and drew 4-4. But hey, let's get it right. Credit to Arteta. Credit to him, right? I'm not a fan. You know that. You're not a fan. But he did steady the ship in the second half. Yeah, some of the substitutions were a bit questionable in my book, but we pretty much killed them off with that second penalty. Now, that's a point, Lee, in itself. That's a point in itself. Right, I was sat there watching it and I'm going, oh, referees are always against us and so is VAR. Hello?
He's our ref, Jez. Yeah, man like Anthony Taylor. I love that guy.
He loves us. He loves us. I mean, I have to say that second penalty, right? I'm thinking, ooh, is that a penalty?
He punched him in the head, but at the same time, there's been instances over the last year or two where we've seen the exact same scenarios. It's not been given. Yeah, I think both penalties were penalties.
I agree.
Yeah, but at the same time, I could understand if the second one weren't given. Yeah, if that one with the goalkeeper, I could understand if that wasn't given. Yeah, the same with the free kick that they scored. I've seen an angle where he looked like Rice absolutely battered that guy's ankle. Yeah, now I've seen another angle where you can see he clearly wins the ball. Yeah. So it's like, and the ref standing right in front of it, split second to make the decision. Yeah, but what a free kick that was. Yeah, but Saka was unreal today, mate. He looked like he really fancied that today. Same with Odegaard, by the way. Yeah, how do you leave Odegaard on the edge of the box with 5 yards of space to skip that ball over the top to Saka for Trossard's goal? Like, what are they doing? Like, honestly, oh God, the goal Griezmann's just scored for Atleti. Oh my fucking God, that's one of the best goals I've seen for a long time, mate. That goal is a fucking joke.
Since Odegaard's come back from injury, he looks like on a slightly different level to me. Look like he really wants it. He's up.
It looks sharp, isn't it? Now, the Chelsea game, I thought he was poor. Yeah, but after that, the games he's played, I think he's been very good, man. He looks like he's a level ahead of everyone else. But let's not forget, he didn't have a Euros. Yeah, he had the full pre-season. Obviously, he's been out for what? I think he was out for 8 games, 9 games, something like that.
Yeah.
But he's come back. Yeah, and mate, he's looked absolutely quality against Lisbon and tonight. Yeah, against Forest, he was decent. Chelsea, cool, first game back. Shouldn't have been on the pitch in the first place. Yeah, got an assist, whatever. Tonight, I thought he was quality. He was that close to being man of the match, but Saka was just that little bit level better than him.
Elevation.
I thought Timber again. Yeah, Timber was... Mate, this guy, Ben White's going to struggle to get back in the team.
Yeah, absolutely. I said this, funny enough, discussion last night on TJ's show. I said, I'll tell you what, is this the reason why we've bought Jurriën Timber to replace Ben White? Because I tell you what, Ben White, I think he's a decent player. Don't get me wrong. When we got him, and right, he's not a centre back, that is for certain. Right back, I thought he's good. But Jurriën Timber, man, he's levels. He's absolutely levels. I mean, that young lad, how old is he? What, 22, 23, something like that?
Something like that. He's young, yeah.
He's young, isn't he? And since he's come back from that Achilles injury, he's just been on it. And big up to him. And he's going to make a major, major impact in this team. And fair play. And I will give Arteta credence and credit today. I thought what he did was probably the right thing. Jesus, you can go in January, my friend, because you're just a waste of bloody space.
Yeah. I thought Zinchenko did well when he came on.
Zinchenko was all right. I'll give you
that.
I
prefer him at left back. I'll be honest, you know my thoughts on him, yeah? We both have similar thoughts on this guy, yeah? He's a scrub, but I actually think he's better than Calafiori. He's more composed on the ball. He's better technically. His passing's better. He's not as rash. Yes, defensively he's shocking, but today, like Somerville scored a goal that was offside. That was because of Calafiori underpassing the ball back to Gabriel. He was off balance, couldn't quite make it. It popped out, and then what a finish from Somerville. That goal was class. Yeah, it got disallowed. Yeah, but again, he was ball watching, and Wan-Bissaka went in. Yeah, when he came off, and he held his groin when he came off, and he said to Arteta, like, he was holding his groin. So I think Calafiori might miss Man United game. Yeah, but Zinchenko came on. I thought he did really well. I thought Kivior done well when he came on as well.
I've got a little question for you here, technicality. Right, there was a clear situation where West Ham were offside. The referee's there. He can see, the linesman's there. He can see it is. He lets it play on, goal scored, referee, the linesman then puts his flag up. Why do they do that, Lee? Why don't they just straight away go, bosh?
Do you know why they do it? Because when it's near the goal, yeah, for VAR, that's what it is. So they don't want to put the flag up straight away, because if it leads to a shot that goes in, yeah, or a penalty decision maybe, yeah, then once the ball's cleared, the liner will put the flag up. So now it's like, okay, cool. But if it ends up in a shot that goes on goal, yeah, or a penalty, or like, I don't know, a goal, whatever, they can then review it. Yeah, if he puts his flag up straight away, they can't review it. Yeah, it's jarring, and it's caused an injury to Van Dijk last season, I think it was, or the season before, when Pickford wiped him out and done him for about 6 months. Yeah. Yeah, and it's very jarring. It is very jarring, but this is the way football is, Jez. Yes, a lot of things in football don't make sense. Yeah, like I thought the referee was good today. I've seen Arsenal fans sitting online moaning about the ref for the Declan Rice foul that led to the Emerson free kick.
Come on.
Yeah. Listen, at the end of the day, Anthony Taylor has won Arsenal, or helped Arsenal win 2 FA Cups. When I see Anthony Taylor, I was like, bald ref? I was like, is that Anthony Taylor? I already predicted 3-0 like you. I was like, Anthony Taylor's ref? Yeah, this is cool. We're done. Yeah, me, Matty, and I was sat there like, yeah, we're going to beat this lot. Yeah, like I said, the second penalty, the punch, on another day, different ref. Yeah, I don't think that'll get given. Yeah, no, although I do think it is a penalty. But listen, shout your channel out, man. What you got coming up?
Arsenal history and more. No, nothing coming up in the next week, mate. I'm going on holiday on Monday.
Come on.
With the family, my daughters and the grandkids over to France. We'll have a little breakaway before Christmas, which I'm loving. Can't wait for that. And then, so I'm not going to see anybody, for any of you lovely people, for a week. And then I'll be back next Saturday. So I'll see you a week Monday, Lee. So yeah, there we are.
Happy days. All right, make sure you sub to Jez's channel. Link will be in the title. And we're out. Back-to-back 5s. 13 goals in a week. Let's move. Man United next. Come on. Vamos.
Yeah.